It might be surprising, but one tool has remained essential for law enforcement worldwide for over a century. We often hear about advanced rifles and smart weapons, yet this simple platform remains a constant. Why? Because it offers an unmatched blend of raw capability and reliability. This piece of equipment is not a relic of the past. It is a meticulously refined workhorse that has survived every technological advancement. Many assume it's outdated, but from Europe to Asia, police forces still rely on these US-made tools. Tools primarily manufactured in America that set the global standard for close-quarters engagement. This universal adoption is not by chance. It's a testament to its effectiveness. The reasons are their powerful performance, unmatched reliability, and decisive impact, making them truly irreplaceable in situations that demand immediate resolution. Let's explore why these tools excel in close-quarters scenarios. We start with their ultimate reliability under pressure. At number 8 is a surprising fact: the exceptional reliability these tools provide when all else fails. Imagine an officer responding to a high-stress call, perhaps in a critical environment. Rain lashing outside, dirt, dust, and darkness. Needing equipment that functions perfectly, no matter what. This is where models like the legendary Remington 870 shine. With over 12 million produced since 1951, it's one of the most successful firearms designs in history, a truly proven platform. Its dual-action bars create a mechanical simplicity you can count on, eliminating common points of failure found in more complex semi-automatic designs. Incredibly, the core mechanism, the action itself, has only 7 major moving parts. Compare that to other modern platforms like many patrol rifles with over 60 components, and you instantly see why officers and soldiers alike inherently trust the simple, robust design. Fewer parts mean fewer things can break. The Mossberg 500 series adds features like an ambidextrous safety and is engineered to function flawlessly in extreme temperatures. From $-40*/circ/text F$ to $140*/circ/text F$. This reliability also applies directly to home use. It will cycle perfectly, even if stored for months in a safe without maintenance or handled under duress in darkness. Departments, including the elite teams of the FBI, document failure rates consistently below 0.1% across thousands of rounds. When seconds count, this level of uncompromising performance is absolutely key. Number 7 is the decisive impact that makes these tools so effective at resolving dangerous situations instantly. Consider an officer facing a difficult situation where verbal commands or less lethal methods have already failed. They need pure, decisive effectiveness to stop the threat instantly. A standard 12-gauge round delivers 9 pellets at once, effectively 9 individual projectiles, creating approximately 1,350 foot-pounds of kinetic energy at the muzzle. Specific models, like the 870 Police Magnum, can propel these loads at over 1,300 feet per second, creating an effective pattern at close range. The key here is the multiplier effect. Each individual pellet achieves 12 to 15 inches of penetration in ballistic gelatin, the standard measure of effectiveness. It's like 9 separate, devastating impacts from one single action. We are not talking about a single, precise entry wound. We are discussing a massive, immediate transfer of energy. The deterrent factor is also significant. Its appearance alone can often de-escalate a confrontation. This high-impact capability provides immense confidence, as the resulting pattern is effective even under the extreme stress of a critical incident where precise aim is difficult. Teams across America and globally use high-performance tools like the Benelli Super 90 for this very reason. Statistics show these encounters have a 95% single-shot resolution rate, meaning the situation is neutralized immediately, compared to a resolution rate closer to 70% for other tools. When a situation must be resolved, its effectiveness is truly unmatched. Next, at number 6, is its incredible ammunition versatility. This versatility is amazing. It makes one tool feel like an entire collection of specialized equipment, adapting instantaneously to the needs of the moment. Imagine an officer arriving at a call. They may need a lethal, less lethal, or a breaching option, and the nature of the situation is often unclear until they are on site. With one tool like the Mossberg 590A1, they have every option immediately available. It can switch seamlessly between standard buckshot, specialized less lethal beanbag rounds, and slugs for precision. That's a lethal option, a less lethal option for crowd control, and a tool for breaching light barriers like simple doors, all in one package. It also handles frangible rounds for training, rubber pellets, specialized tear gas rounds, and, most critically, specialty breaching rounds for high-security doors and hinges. This range of over 20 tactical options is game-changing, even for home use. A homeowner can select birdshot for minimal penetration, low risk to neighbors, switch to slugs for high precision over a longer indoor distance, or choose buckshot for a balance of power and effective spread. Departments value this immensely, as one system can handle everything from large-scale crowd control to a highly technical tactical entry, dramatically simplifying training, logistics, and parts inventory. This versatility ensures officers always have the right tool for the job. Our next key reason, at number 5, is the brilliantly simple design that creates a lightning-fast training curve. Their simple design means new officers can become proficient in just hours. Take a rookie on his first day at the range. While others struggle with the complex manipulations and malfunction clearances of high-tech rifles, he masters the intuitive pump action almost immediately. The mechanism is naturally human and requires minimal fine motor skill, which is often lost under pressure. Models like the Mossberg 500 require zero complex controls. The cycle of operation is simple and memorable. Load, pump, aim, and fire. Muscle memory develops incredibly fast. Statistics show that recruits achieve effective combat accuracy with the shotgun in just 4 hours of dedicated training, versus 40-plus hours required for full proficiency with patrol rifles. This massive time saving is due to the forgiving nature of the projectile spread. At typical engagement distances, the pattern is already 6 to 8 inches wide, meaning precise sight alignment is far less critical than with a rifle. Furthermore, modern systems and advances in stock design, like the Benelli Nova's Comfort Tech, have been introduced that reduce felt recoil by nearly 50%, making extended training sessions even easier and less daunting. Departments save significant budget and time on training costs while achieving reliable proficiency much faster. Departments save on training costs. At number 4, we find unmatched effectiveness in close-quarters situations, CQC. This is the tool's core mission. This makes them ideal for indoor scenarios. Imagine a SWAT team moving through a building with tight hallways, blind corners, and many doorways. While rifles are built for range and open areas, a short-barrel shotgun with a collapsible stock is the ultimate tool for clearing a room. The shorter barrel, often $14-foot, or $18, and overall length, $35.5, with stock collapsed, make maneuvering corners effortless, eliminating the risk of snagging the muzzle on walls. A modern semi-automatic action, like those found in the Benelli M4, allows for 0.25-second follow-ups on target. Crucially, at typical indoor distances of 3 to 12 feet, the buckshot pattern is an extremely tight, softball-sized group, ensuring that all of the weapon's energy hits one spot. This is the perfect balance. Enough spread to be forgiving under duress, but tight enough to ensure massive impact. The Maverick 88 workhorse brings this CQC effectiveness to many users. It's lightweight, under $7 lbs, rugged, and perfectly balanced for quick transitions. Newer designs, like the Beretta A300 Patrol, add modern features like advanced gas systems to tame recoil even further, and optic-ready receivers for rapid target acquisition. Data shows officers resolve close-quarter situations 90% faster with these tools than with handguns or rifles. Next, at number 3, is the tool's psychological factor, often referred to as the intimidation or deterrence factor. Often, just the distinctive clack-clack sound of the action is enough to achieve compliance. That sound alone has de-escalated thousands of critical encounters, as it clearly communicates the situation's sudden gravity and the immense, immediate danger of continued resistance. The suspect instantly understands the stakes have been raised to the absolute maximum. It's not just the sound, but the sight. The massive 12-gauge bore, nearly $3/4 inch in diameter, is a powerful visual deterrent. Even modern bullpup designs, such as the Keltec KSG, with dual tubes and a compact $26 length, have a futuristic and serious appearance that contributes to this effect. Police psychologists confirm this. The visual impact factor alone results in 73% faster compliance from subjects. They view it as a non-negotiable end to the confrontation. Statistics show an 84% compliance rate just from the tool's display, often without a round being fired. De-escalating a situation without resorting to lethal force is the ultimate goal, and this tool achieves that at a higher rate. At number 2 is the legendary American manufacturing heritage, combined with exceptional, almost mythical durability. This has made them the gold standard worldwide. Take the iconic 870. Its 12 million units became the backbone for police and military forces globally, creating a massive, proven legacy. Agents have used the 870 in extreme environments, through sandstorms, brutal desert heat, and freezing rain, and it keeps working thanks to its solid 4,140 steel receiver. The Mossberg 590A1 is the only one to ever meet U.S. military specification 3443G, a grueling standard. This means it has officially survived rigorous drop tests onto concrete, full submersion in salt water, and repeated firing with corroded components. Police and military records show these platforms can surpass 100,000 rounds without major component failures, a lifespan that is several times greater than that of most other types of firearms, making them a one-time investment for a department. This ruggedness translates directly to reliability when lives are on the line. And at number 1, they deliver massive, immediate energy transfer at close range. This is the fundamental scientific reason why all departments still keep them. The physics are absolutely key and cannot be replicated by any other common law enforcement tool. One single shell delivers 9 independent projectiles and over 1,300 foot-pounds of energy into a 6-inch pattern. You are delivering the kinetic energy equivalent of a powerful rifle round, but instead of one entry point, you have multiple simultaneous impacts. This results in a documented 96% immediate effectiveness rate, which is crucial in challenging, high-stakes scenarios where a subject may be wearing heavy clothing, under the influence, or simply resisting to an extreme degree. Compact models like the Mossberg 590 Shockwave concentrate this massive force into a highly maneuverable package. Statistical testing proves its absolute, non-negotiable effectiveness under 25 yards, which is the distance at which over 89% of all law enforcement gun encounters occur. At this critical range, no other tool delivers more instant, decisive energy, resolving the situation faster and safer for everyone involved. And those are the top 8 reasons.